Welcome or welcome back to Junk Journal July for 2026. So let's grab our art supplies and dive into another creative session very, very soon. But first, let's make a good cup of iced coffee or your favorite beverage of choice before we dive into the creative setup. And I wanted to talk a bit about the prompt list and everything starting in July very, very soon. I hope you will join me in filling up another one of those beautiful junk journals with the daily prompts. A few of you had already asked me if I would set up a prompt list for all of us again, and the prompt list is now live. You can get it and download it in the description down below. There's a Google Drive link, and I did this time around had the time to do a German and an English version. So if you are German and want to take part in it, there's also a German version of the prompt list for you to download. Yeah, and as always, I included a few goodies as well in the Printable. And now let's make a little title page insert for my new journal. Here you can have a bit of a sneak peek for the upcoming Make an Envelope journal with me coming on Saturday. But I decided to give you a little bit of a sneak peek for this video. So stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any creative fun. But now I decided to kick off the challenge in a way and introduce the Junk Journal July prompt list for all of you with setting up the little title page. And for me, I did decide to make a journal out of envelopes and decided to include an envelope on the cover. And like you can see here, this is a translucent envelope where I wanted to make a little journal card to include in there and just add a little motto or quote for the months to just focus on having fun with the creative process. Yeah, I tried to make a kind of mixture of the different prompts. I hope you like what I came up with, and if you do any videos or just share some photos of your prompts and your spreads, I would absolutely love to see them. So remember to use the hashtag JunkJournalJuly 2026 for all of us to take part and see each other's beautiful creations. And I'm so excited for the new upcoming daily creative sessions. I hope you are as excited as I am for this Junk Journal July and can't wait to dive into daily videos again in July. And hopefully having the time to escape the summer heat a bit to just get creative. And spending some time in our journals. I don't know, the other years or other times in the year, we spend our times indoors because the weather isn't that nice, and now the weather is so completely crazy hot lately that you spend your time inside anyways to just not get kind of a heat stroke or anything. And for me, it's fine, as I like to be a homebody and create and be creative in my journals or my sketchbooks. So it's kind of okay, but I hope it won't stay as hot throughout the complete summer, but we will see. Yeah, let me know if you are as excited as I am for the Junk Journal July challenge, and let me know what is your favorite prompt for the upcoming challenge. I would absolutely love to hear your input for that, and I can't wait to get creative with all of you guys. I hope you are as excited as I am for this new upcoming creative session. Then see you on Saturday in the DIY envelope journal process, and then see you in July with the daily creative sessions. I hope you enjoyed this little quick announcement video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really, really happy. And if you want to join me in Junk Journal July, or just want to be part of the creative journey in general, hit the subscribe button. Until then, happy creating!